Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to read voice messages on WhatsApp. It's really simple and easy. So to read voice messages on WhatsApp, first of all, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you are on the WhatsApp, tap on these three dots in the top right corner and simply go for this settings here. Now in settings, you have to tap on this chat section. Under the chat settings sections, you will see voice message transcripts. You have to toggle this on and tap on this choose language. You can select the language here. I am going for this English and tap on this setup now. Now go back and open up the chat. You want to read the voice message. On the chat conversation screen, find the voice message you want to read as text. Once found, long press on the voice message and tap on these three dots and simply tap on transcribe. And that's pretty much it. That's how to read voice messages on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.